Hello, good morning. This is Dr. WOLFBOX. Welcome back to another interesting edition. In this very today edition here, we got a product I want to share with you guys. The name is WOLFBOX. It's a product from WOLFBOX called G900 Tri-Pro. Tri-Pro. Does anybody have a tripod? No. You got one eye in the front, one eye in the cabin, and one eye in the rear. So in this, you will never miss a damn thing while you're driving on the road. So without wasting your time, now let's get started. Now this is typically what you need when you need it. And why do you need this? Okay guys, I'm very much excited to unbox this very product with you guys. So watch the video and you see how this goes, what's inside this very WOLFBOX G900. So what's this kind of what's the product here? And you guys can see, let me take you closer. It's still sealed, it hasn't been opened. When I got this very package, before I go further, apologies, WOLFBOX actually ran into a logistics problem that actually caused this very delay here. So with that said, let's get in there. So what exactly is this? A lot of you guys are curious. So a pro grade dash cam. What is the dash cam really useful for? Due to the torrents of accident occurring days and different times, different zones these days, hit and run, cops embarrassment, this product can save you a whole lot. I got to say something here. In my own book, everyone is a hero, right? But you can be that hero without having the right requirements, the right tools, the right gadgets. Now, there is something which I know so much about cops. They hate to be intimidated and they hate to be recorded. So if you're the kind of person who don't like those embarrassment, harassment, this is your pal and you need to get one for yourself. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So as it came here as one box and I have some other one in the. Before we get to open this one, let's open this and see what's inside. And I'll show you guys. So, okay, it has a couple of fuses. I think like 4 pairs of them. Okay, and came with a manual right there, and a couple of more fuses. Well, this is going to be really technical because that is the reason why they give you this very manual here. It comes with this very manual so you can read it and go through it before the process of installation so you don't do any mistake, all right? G900 Tri-Pro. Now, before we go inside it here, it has a description which says it records 4K front and it records 2.5K rear, and on the inside cabin, it records 1080p, which is not bad. Now, this is like a complete coverage. So suppose there is incoming collision from behind, you should be able to capture the person or the prospect. And you suppose a cop's just trying to some sort of intimidate you or harass you, the microphone is gonna pick up the conversation that the both of you guys are having, not just cop anyone on the road. And so I'm setting that as soon as anyone who want to make a mess with you, and he just saw the sign right there, he's gonna maintain his position and put up a suit of diplomacy because he knows he's gonna get himself inside of trouble because you don't even need to do any damn thing. And before I forgot, I've read about this very product before. It has voice command, so you can, without even touching it, you can just command it to record and boom. So guys, now you can see it. So that is where this whole thing is going. Now let me go ahead and open this. There's still a lot of things more here. The 4K, the service, the voice control, and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, GPS, and more importantly, you got a touch screen. Wow. Damn. I can't wait. So now let's quickly dive right in there. Okay. Okay, finally. Okay, this one wraps. Come on. Well, that is not. This is how it looks on the inside. Remember, I put my hands here so things doesn't fall apart. Now here, this is where things get very more interesting. See here is this. Maybe the light is too bright for you guys to see its reflection, but it's just some sort of like a visual diagram, right? Now, as soon as you got it right there, you can see the main screen right there, and that's it right here. Look at that, guys. This is purely something else. Whoa, that's interesting. I'm seeing things already. Now let's go over to see it, and it has some plastic here, so we need to grab it somewhere here and pull it off, which I wouldn't do that. You only want to do that when you want to install it, so I'm only just doing it for the purpose of this very video here, so I'm not going to remove that. Now this is where things get a lot interesting. Now this is how you mount it on your inner mirror. And so this camera is automatically facing, that's the one that takes the 4K camera, 4K resolution video recording while you're driving. And I am seeing a memory card. It seems like you got a memory card already. Wow. Yes. And it came with 256 micro SD made by WOLFBOX. So this is practically a tech company, serious tech company. Else, I hope I haven't messed up. Okay, I put it the wrong way. So it's slide right in there. So 256 gig, and we have some couple of connections here. We got a power button here. Is that a power button? Okay, we got the GPS plug-in here. We got the rear. Okay, so the power comes in here. Now I get it. There is a adapter which we found out initially. You know, I didn't read the manual. I'm just trying to see how user-friendly this very product is from a layman understanding in a nutshell without going through the manual. Now, I showed you guys the adapter which we previously saw right here, which I talked about. Yes, and that adapter right there. So where it's written power here, that is where this connects to. You see it fits in right in there. The Type-C fit in there, and it's not there, right? So this is the one you need to run through and bury them right in the roof stuff right there. Now underneath here, you got a red button, some sort of an orange. I think that should be the power button, and it got a 2 microphone right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me bring it close. I can see one here and another one here. So this should be the power button. So wow, this looks so beautiful with this metallic engravement here and both which I'm seeing here with the WOLFBOX. That tells me that this is not just it's what's every penny is meticulously designed and feels heavy. Whenever you have a product that looks a little bit, it's not just a little bit, and it's heavy, looks so stodgy, that's first sign of quality. You know, if it is fake, it's not gonna be that stodgy. So, and I want also to remind you that here is a touch screen, so you don't do mistake and you drop it while you are unboxing it. Now let's go back inside more and see what it comes with here. So let's keep this aside. I'll remove this, keep this aside, and this is the next thing also. Now inside here it has different cartons, different packages. So I'm gonna take out this one here first. Let's see what's inside this one here. I'm gonna keep it right here. And then the next one, which is this one here, also gonna keep it right here. Get this plastic out of the way. Now we're gonna check this one here. 1 and 2. That's pretty much all. So now I'm gonna keep this very carton here. And okay, this is a user manual, guys. I hope you guys can see it. So pretty much that's why I say it. Now you don't want to run into problem before reading the manual, because this is a serious piece of engineering and you don't want to mess it up. You don't want to mess it up. You don't want to ruin it and start pointing accusing finger. Yeah, they did this, they did that. So we have a 1 prompt right here sticker. We got another 1 prompt here. Okay. You say you should attach this before using every other electrostatic stickers. That is what this very 1 prompt is. So I'm gonna show it to you guys so you read it. Now, aside that is found within the user manual. Now we got a 2 distinctive manual. This one is big, this one is small. You have to go through them very well because, like I said, there are some things you want to do in this life and you don't want to do a mistake, right? You want to get it done the first time as a DIY and get it done correctly. So, okay, it has 2 options of language here. We got English and Espanol. Is that Espanol or Espanol? Sometimes pronouncing English can be very mouthful, and a lot of you guys know about that. So I don't have the time to go through this, but there's a lot of things that are here, including pictorial diagrams, which can be very helpful to make you understand where you're going. So I want to put this back in here. Then I want to go ahead and check out okay, that's the user manual. So let's put this back so this whole place don't look so messy. Okay, the next one here is what do you call this one? You say this is the 1080p cabin camera and the GPS. So that's what comes inside this very box here. So let me get to open it without creating any damage. So let's get to see it. Okay. Okay. Well, look what we got here. Now, by the diagrams, we can be able to identify. Now, the extra cabin camera, that is what looks like this. If you look at it right here, so you don't misplace your priorities. So this one here is for the cabin, while this one here is the GPS. Okay, it's even inscripted right there, right? This one goes right on top of your dash. So, and if you look at it right here, things are making more sense right now. Even without going through the manual, I'm seeing how this whole thing is connected. So we got a GPS here. I told you guys this thing is user-friendly, and that is one of the most important, critical things to talk about when you are talking about a nice product. Because if it is not user-friendly, then there is a problem. So here, it should be self-explanatory at least before you start diving into the manual. There should be some couple of things which you can be able to see, and that should be able to help you to navigate through things. So here, right there, the GPS is connected. Now, let's go in there. We have the rear power here. I hope you guys can read it right. We have the rear power somewhere written here. And we have the power, and we have the AV here. I hope you guys can see it. So, at least without going through a lot, this should be the AV because there is no any other like less than 3 point something audio jack. So that one goes in here. Yes. And that's for the interior cabin. That's the one it calls the AV. So don't forget that. Okay. So the GPS is connected. The interior cabin camera is connected. The power is connected. Right? This is Type-C. So anywhere it faces is okay. So we got the three of them connected. So we're having just one more, and that is the rear. So the rear definitely is going to be, we've opened this carton. Okay, this one here is the cigarette lighter, which actually supplies power. So we're going to take a look at it. Okay, came with some other accessories, which is here, this one here, and this one. That is actually the belt which you're going to be using to clip it from here, right? And like this. Hope you guys can see it right there. So we'll bring out the second one here. They also made it to be a little bit more adjustable, depending on your interior mirror size. There is a bigger, longer one and a shorter one. So as soon as you get hooked up here, everything's going to become more tight. So let me unplug all these things so we can see things a little bit more better. So that's what attaches it to your interior mirror. Now, I want to go back a little bit. I think, okay, that's pretty much cool. They have extra tools just in case if suppose you damage the other one, which is very, pretty much good. And we have the power. Okay. Now, I am getting a little bit. Now, guys, we got two powers. We got adapter here and this, and that is where the manual has to come into place in order to really tell us exactly which one goes in which. Or perhaps one is some sort of external, and one permanent, and one is for temporary. So this is temporary, this is for permanent, which has to be there all the time. Okay, I still have one more box to open here, so we take a look at it. And I'm certain that's going to be the one where the rear camera is, and that is this very box right here. So that's okay. That's it. You guys can see. So you can see is a 2.5 rear camera, 2.5K rear camera. You have cable clips and accessories. That is what's inside here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now, look what we got here, guys. So this one, yes, even without reading through the manual, this is the one that pops and pours your license plate. One of the light on the license plate, you got to remove it. This one pops out. And so that's why you see this wire is really long. So you can reach from right in front of the cabin to the rear at the license plate, registration plate area. So you can see right here, guys. So this is the mounting bracket. You can see it right here dangling. And this connection is also this very port here. That's the Type-C, which fits in perfectly with where the root rear here. So if I plug it right in here, right there. So guys, whoa, this is a serious piece of engineering. However, I want to say something here. We're not done yet. There are still a couple of things more here. Just put out the rear camera here. We got a sticker, right? And we got some couple of stuffs again. Whoa. So like I said, this is a serious DIY project, something which you want to do on your car. However, that's the reason why the manual is there for assistance, and it does actually come with multiple brackets. Maybe if suppose you ruin one, you replace it with another and have some something which you can use to clean probably the lens. So it came with two trims which you can use to navigate your way into hiding the wire. So with that said, guys, this is all the package that comes with the WOLFBOX dash cam. So what is the essence of this whole thing before I pack everything, before I end up this very video here? It is better to be late than never. Someone has actually used that word before. You should have been into a situation where mysteriously somebody out of nowhere hits your car and run. That's gonna be a serious expensive, unbudgeted expenses, and that is where this WOLFBOX comes into recording. We have practically showed you everything that comes with it, including even the memory card, so they didn't leave anything for a space where you're gonna say, this one doesn't come in. I'm still yet to figure out exactly where these fuses are actually going, and that is why I say the manual is gonna be of a great assistance to a lot of you guys out there who will be purchasing this very product right after this very video here. So the manual is gonna guide you guys. So like I said, when you have some kind of thing, you need a serious extra protection on the road. From different people, right, to keep track of things. You have CCTV camera in your home, and I don't think there is anything, when you're talking about maximum security on the road, check that correctly. So it is just more than important for you to have it in your car. Moving from point A to point B, driving from one road to another, meeting up with your daily commute. So guys, this is the WOLFBOX G900, and so far all I've seen so far, everything just seems so meticulously designed, nothing out of place. The bezels feel, there is no rough edges. Even the rear cameras, everything down to the cable, it has that texture feel of quality, which is something I really like. And the way they packaged everything so you don't miss anything out of place. There are some kind of product that when you get them, you start looking for this, you get this, you start looking for that. And so I'm really happy that this is a very good complete package. So we're talking about 12-inch touchscreen. This is a touchscreen, so in some other time when I'm going to be installing this in my car, then we're going to see how this works. Within that time, probably I should have digested every little page and chapters inside this manual. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for time. Thank you for being part of this for taking part in this very video, and stay safe out there. Sometimes there is something I have to ask my customers, try and error in your car, which one is more expensive. So to be safe and to be hearing, I am sorry. Which one would you prefer? This thing happens like, when it's going to happen, nobody knows when it's going to happen. It's an accident. Yes, that's why they call it an accident. So nobody knows. So that's why I say it's better to be safe than sorry. So guys, thank you for your time. If you have any question concerning this very product, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to you. And where to buy this, I'm going to be leaving the link below this very video description here, so you can purchase and have yours, and don't give any excuse why you did not capture the right moment. Aside even the security thing, it's adventurous. You can drive for the whole day and you come back and you review about how, who, what. This is cool. This is realistically what life is all about. You're going out with friends, things can happen, right? And so that's why I'm urging everyone out there, and either go through the comment section or www.wolfbox.com. You're gonna see this very product here. So guys, thank you for your time once again. I remain Dr. Fix. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Bye for now. I'll see you guys in the comment section.